What's going on, everybody? I've been so busy dealing with this shop stuff, but I figured I can't have a shop without a shop truck, so I found something really cheap. Let me show y'all. Bam! Part of the Chevy family now, even though I got a gorgeous Ford over there. But yeah, man, I picked this up super cheap for like $1,000. So I was like, why not? Just do a little quick run around. Ain't really nothing special. It's just a Suburban, and got some, some imperfections on it. But for $1,000, I just sprayed some stuff, so it's kind of, I got like a little squeak I gotta figure out. I don't know if it's a belt, pulley, or maybe like the alternator or the water pump. But I'm just gonna do a full little detail on it, clean it up, do the regular schedule maintenance, because I think it has like 200K miles on it. But even then, that's not really bad. Hell, I can sell the drivetrain cheaper than that. Everything still works. It cranks up. The interior is a little beat up. It's a lot of beat up, actually. But still, still pretty solid for the most part. Just need a real deep cleaning. There's a few pieces missing, like the cover on that door. As you can see, the handle is missing. But I'm up for the task. It ain't nothing but I ain't really looked around. Let me take that key out. Everything still works. It cranks up. Let me crank it up for you. Lock the steering wheel. And you can probably hear it got a light little squeak up there. But don't check engine lights, it runs fine. I drove it here to the shop. I haven't had no issues. Motor feels good, transmission shifts fine. Outside of this little squeak, motor runs how it should. So this is gonna be pretty cool. I mean, I don't really have no plans per se with this thing. It's just that it was cheap, so I bought it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's try to get this baby clean. All right, it's time to start taking the interior out so I can clean up the old Bourbon. I gotta take off these bolts, as you can just kind of get an indication of how dirty it is in here. But I'm gonna hit them bolts. Should be 4 bolts on each side, so I can pull this up and clean it, and then check the condition of the seat, because I'm probably gonna end up, well, the back seats are not that bad. It's the front seats that I'm probably gonna have to redo. I may just keep the back, just clean those, but let's go ahead and get this interior out. All right, I finally got all the seats out. As you can see, I don't know what the heck was going on back here. The car kind of smells oily. So it makes me think like whoever had this was probably doing like mechanical work. And they probably was putting stuff in the back here because like little stains everywhere that kind of mimic like oil and other like random stuff. But the inside smells just like a shop, like a mechanic shop. I got the that's the third row seat. I'm gonna take it out. Well, it's already taken out, but here's the second row seat. And 200,000 miles, that's not too shabby. I'm probably not gonna mess with these. I'm probably just gonna clean them up real nice and call it a day. I got a bunch of just random tools and stuff in here. But to move this out the way, you can kind of see. So what I'm probably gonna do, I've been trying to debate whether I should just, I think I'm just gonna replace the carpet. I think I'm just gonna take the whole thing out because my first initial mindset was just to clean the carpet really good, which is why I was stripping it like this. But just kind of looking at it, especially with that back, yeah, I don't think that's really gonna come out. I can clean it, but it's probably still gonna be staining. It looked like most of the carpet is like ate up over there. So yeah, I'm gonna check online to see what the carpet costs on these things and then see, because with everything out of the car, it's not gonna be that hard to just replace the carpet. You know what I'm saying? I just need to figure out how much it is, and then I'll take the front seats and everything else out of there. I got a bunch of bags. I went through Riley's today and got a bunch of tools, and I mean, not tools, but a bunch of just like parts that I need. I'm just gonna do a full maintenance tune up on it, and then it should be good to go. I'm just gonna clean it up. Like even the roof is kind of dirty. How the roof got dirty, I have no clue. They must, and they don't even look like, I'm assuming they must have had kids in here. That's the only reason I can see is the roof of the freaking car getting just as dirty as the floor. So that may be what was going on here. But believe it or not, this thing has freaking heated seats, and they actually work. Look at that front seat. That front seat look horrible. This front seat is a little better, but it's just as bad. But can't tell if it's zooming in or not, but that's the heated seat symbol, which is freaking mind-blowing to me. And this particular, like, look at this. I'm pretty sure they probably had kids. So it's like little miscellaneous stuff I'm gonna do, like fix the locks, like the lock things missing here. So I'm just gonna go through there and replace a bunch of miscellaneous crap. Clean up out, you know, in between the little crevices and stuff real good. Like on this side of the rear, you can see one of the doors is kind of banged up. One of them, the cup holder's missing. So I'm gonna replace and do all of that stuff. And I'm gonna get it cleaned up nice and pretty and stuff. And I may use this as my new like little shop truck or my little travel truck. You know, as long as it's reliable, I'm gonna ride it around for quite a bit to see how it does, if it's giving me any issues or anything, which I don't think it is going to. The 5.3s for the most part are pretty reliable motors, so I don't think we should have any issues. But we're gonna pick up on the next episode. I'm gonna start doing something. You know, I gotta get this baby cleaned up real nice. But I'm gonna catch you guys later.